In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for email. ChatGPT can be really useful for email because it helps you write from scratch, improve a draft, change the tone, shorten long messages, and create replies faster. OpenAI's Writing and Capabilities pages describe ChatGPT as a tool for drafting, editing, and revising writing, and OpenAI's Canvas feature is specifically designed for projects that need ongoing edits and revisions. Let's start with the easiest way to use it. Open ChatGPT and type a clear prompt with the goal of your email. For example, you can say something like, write a professional email to a client asking to reschedule a meeting, or write a friendly follow-up email after a job interview. The more details you give, like who the email is for, the tone you want, and the main points to include, the better the result usually is. OpenAI's prompt guidance and custom instructions help pages both emphasize that giving context improves the response. If you already have a draft, you do not need to start over. Just paste your email into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it. You can ask it to make the email shorter, more formal, more polite, clearer, or more confident. This works well when your message sounds too casual, too long, or a little awkward. OpenAI's file upload and Canvas documentation both describe ChatGPT as a tool for transforming and revising text without changing the core meaning. Another useful method is to ask ChatGPT for versions of the same email. For example, you can say, give me 3 subject line options, or write this email in a formal tone and then in a friendly tone. That makes it much easier to choose the version that fits your audience. If you write a lot of similar emails, you can also use custom instructions, so ChatGPT remembers how you like your writing style, such as concise, professional, or warm and conversational. OpenAI says, custom instructions apply across chats and let you tell ChatGPT what to consider in its responses. If you want even more control, use Canvas. OpenAI says Canvas is built for writing projects that need editing and revision, so it can be helpful for polishing longer or more important emails before you send them. Instead of rewriting everything in one shot, you can keep refining the same draft until it sounds right. There is also a more advanced option if your ChatGPT setup includes connected apps. OpenAI's Outlook email and calendar app for ChatGPT can help with tasks like summarizing emails and drafting replies based on recent messages. That can save time if you work with email heavily and want ChatGPT to help you respond faster. One important tip before sending any email: always review the final draft yourself. OpenAI notes that ChatGPT can make mistakes, so it is a good idea to check names, dates, promises, links, and the overall tone before you copy the email into Gmail or Outlook and send it. So the simple process is this: open ChatGPT, describe the email you need, generate a draft, then ask for edits until it sounds exactly the way you want. You can use it to write new emails, improve old ones, create replies, and save a lot of time on everyday communication. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.